Hey guys, NielVTEC here, and today I'm showing off my new motorcycle that I got. And yeah, the last time I filmed it was practically been a year or two. A lot of things happened. Graduated from my college program and I decided to buy a motorcycle. Why did I buy a motorcycle? Well, basically I got a lot of classmates and co-workers who convinced me to get one. At the end of the day, they were right. It's super fun to ride. I'm here to show you off my motorcycle before I start modifying it. Before we start, I'll tell you everything about this bike. I bought it from a guy who bought it brand new for $13,000 and I got it off of him for $5,500 Canadian. At first I was debating on getting a 650 or a Ninja 400 and I decided to get this one instead just because I save a lot more money and it's a lot cheaper to register here in Canada. And yeah, it's a 2022, only had 1,000 kilometers, so this has been basically the latest vehicle I bought. Only 5,500, that's a steal for me. Here to show you guys around before I start modifying it. So what makes this motorcycle special compared to the other Ninja 400s? Well, this version is the KRT version. Basically, you pay an extra money for the color. The first color option was gonna be a black bike, but all the black bikes on the market is more expensive than the KRT version. When the KRT version is supposed to be more expensive, I decided to buy this instead. And yeah, the paint was in perfect condition until I decided to drop it on my driveway. And yeah, it's okay though. I was already planning on like changing all the fairings into like a cooler color, but still that hurted. I already planned on like changing the exhaust. It's the OEM. It's all chunky, doesn't look cool, and yeah, it's not that noisy. So yeah, you don't get a motorcycle for a quiet exhaust, but I'm not gonna be that annoying guy in the neighborhood where I'm waking up all my neighbors at night, so we went with something medium. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a lot of things to modify on a motorcycle unless you're tracking it. I'm not planning on tracking my motorcycle. I'm just here to ride and have fun. One of the other things I'm gonna modify is the windshield. I was either gonna buy another windshield that's dark, but since my friends are doing a tinting business, I decided to support their business and tint it instead. Let's see if that's gonna work out, but if not, I'll just buy another windshield. So yeah, the first thing I already modified on this car is the bike stand. I didn't want my bike stand to be damaged because I'm being careful with my brand new motorcycle. So technically that's the first modification I did on the bike. But yeah, there's not much to say. Like I said, it's a brand new motorcycle, bought it off a guy, and yeah, this video is basically just me modifying the motorcycle over time. So let's begin. So yeah, the first thing before we start modifying the motorcycle, we're gonna wash it down because technically I did more kilometers than the guy that I bought it from, and it's all dirty. So I want to work on the clean motorcycle compared to the dirty one. Alright, so we're finally changing the muffler, and before before we start, I just want to let you guys know we have a new mic system, so I don't know how it's gonna sound. We'll find out after this video. Yeah, before I change it, I'm gonna make you guys hear how much of a lawnmower it sounds like. And yeah, oh yeah, and disclaimer, definitely not the best guy to watch how to work on your motorcycle, because this is my first time working on a motorcycle. Yeah, that's basically 90% of our videos, just learning on our way. But hey, so let's begin. Definitely not the best guy to watch. Something's not right. The last thing I'm going to be modifying on this motorcycle today, or should I say add, is a radiator cover. For my opinion, it's not worth it. This is the cheapest one I can find on Amazon, and on some sites they go for like over $100. So why they're not worth it for me is, what are the chances of a rock destroying your radiator while you're driving? It's a very slim chance for my opinion, but hey, I'm only adding this for the ease of mind and it looks cool. That's literally it. So let's begin. So this is the before. So yeah, this radiator cover was not fitting, of course. It's from Amazon. What do you expect? So I had to hammer it down and make it look, well, make it fit there. But yeah, it's a lot nicer. And giving me ease of mind when driving, knowing that if I hit a rock, it's not gonna damage my radiator. And it looks cool. So yeah, as you guys can see, I put my sweat and blood on working on this motorcycle. I'm gonna have to wait a couple of days or weeks before the other parts come in. Well, you guys will just have to wait for the next segment. So after waiting for 2 more weeks for my motorcycle parts to arrive, I hope I get to finish them tonight, or I get to finish it tomorrow morning. I just hope it doesn't take more time than that. So basically what we're gonna be modifying on this motorcycle is gonna be the turn signals, the tail light, and I'm gonna be deleting this whole section right here so it looks cleaner. And I'm also gonna be adding some sliders, even though it's too late, I already dropped the bike, but it can get worse. Also, I changed my mind about the mirrors. I'm gonna be adding something cooler than these. But it could potentially be more dangerous, so I'm gonna feel it out, since I'm gonna prioritize safety over coolness. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so I just came back from playing basketball, so I hope I don't look too dumb. Anyways, news about the windshield. My friend tried to tint it, but like since it's plastic or all the curves, it ended up not working. So I ended up buying like a new windshield from Puig, and yeah, I hope it looks good on the bike. So here it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the windshield. I think it made the motorcycle look way more aggressive, which I love. And as for the mirrors, I've been riding with them for a few weeks now. And yeah, I ended up getting used to them. But if you're doing less responsible things or illegal stuff, I feel like a bigger mirror would be way better for you. But hey, that's just my opinion. If you're already doing illegal stuff, I feel like you're not gonna care what you put on your motorcycle. So yeah, as for the modifications I did on this bike, the only thing I would probably not buy again is some radiator cover. I feel like that's just a waste of money because the chances of you hitting a rock and destroying your radiator is very slim. But if you have the money, might as well buy it. And that's pretty much it. Like, I'm really happy with all the modifications I added on this motorcycle because it made it more aggressive and like more fun to ride. That's what motorcycle is all about, just having fun riding. And yeah, I'll probably end up buying a GoPro to like record more stuff on motorcycles. If you guys want to see more videos, subscribe. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.